Hey guys, welcome to Feed Factory. Today we are going to see about Raisina dialogue and Sagarmatha dialogue. So let's start with Raisina dialogue. So what is Raisina dialogue? It is a multilateral conference held annually in New Delhi, India, which is organized by India's Ministry of External Affairs and Observer Research Foundation ORF. This dialogue is organized on the lines of Shangri-La Dialogue held in Singapore. And since its inception in 2016, the conference has emerged as India's flagship conference on geopolitics and geoeconomics. Let's see the origin of the word Raisina. Raisina Hill, Raya Sina Pahari, often used as a metonym for the seat of the Government of India, is an area or elevation in New Delhi, housing India's most important government buildings, including Rashtrapati Bhavan, the official residence of the President of India, and Secretariat building housing the Prime Minister's office. So the objective of the Raisina dialogue is to hold multilateral discussion on most challenging global issues and international policy matters, and that's what is given in the slide. And since its inception in 2016, every year it has been given a theme, and this year, to be its 5th year, the theme was 21 at 20, Navigating the Alpha Century. So from exam point of view, it would be better to know about few years theme also. So last year's 2019 theme was a world reorder, new geometries, fluid partnerships, uncertain outcomes. And this year, there were 5 thematic pillars around where the discussion were made. So first one is the nationalist impulses challenging global institutions and collective actions. Second one, the debate on global trading architecture. Third one, the role of technologies in determining political, economic and military power. Fourth one, the global development agenda. Fifth, the state-individual relationship in the age of digital communities and cyberspace. So in this short space of 5 years, the Raisina dialogue has acquired an enviable global profile, uniting the best strategic thinkers of the world. And the keynote speaker of this year was Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison. And there were also important participants from various countries, and this year had seen highest number of foreign ministers attending the dialogue since its inception in 2016. And among 700 speakers, a remarkable 40% of the speakers were women. And this emphasized our commitment to gender equality. And this dialogue set an example for our commitment towards gender equality. And this is all about Raisina dialogue. The next topic is Sagarmatha dialogue. Let's get into the topic now. The news is that Nepal has invited the Prime Ministers of India and Pakistan along with several other heads of government and states for the Sagarmatha dialogue. Thus, the event draws all the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that is SAARC leaders. Thus, it provides an opportunity to break the ice between India and Pakistan. Let's know about Sagarmatha dialogue. Sagarmatha Samvad, that is dialogue, is a multi-stakeholder permanent global dialogue forum initiated by the government of Nepal. It is scheduled to be held biennially in Nepal. Sagarmatha is named after the world's tallest mountain, that is Mount Everest, which is also a symbol of friendship and is meant to promote the notion of common good and collective well-being of humanity. And for your information, there is also a national park called Sagarmatha National Park in Nepal. And this dialogue was established in 2019 as a permanent global forum and is headquartered in Kathmandu. This is one of the biggest diplomatic initiatives in Nepal's recent history. The first edition of Sagarmatha dialogue will be held in Kathmandu, featuring the theme Climate Change, Mountains and Future of Humanity. Because of the prevailing pandemic, The date will be fixed later in future. Thus, it is yet to be held. And as you might know, the recent relationship with Nepal is not so good because of Nepal's unilateral decision of changing their map, including our Indian territory. Thus, geopolitics keeps on changing according to one's own interest. There is no permanent friends nor enemies in world politics. So this is all about Sagarmatha dialogue. Today's practice question is, which of the following is a dialogue held only in India? Option A, Shangarila. Option B, Sagarmatha. Option C, Arctic Council. And option D, Raisina. The correct answer is option D, Raisina. The military exercise called Tiger Trim is between option A, India-Russia. Option B, India-US. Option C, Turkey-US. And option D, India-Iran. The correct answer is option B, India-US. The next question is, which of these countries are not part of Quad? Option A, Japan and Australia. Option B, India and US. Option C, Iran and Turkey. And option D, Japan and US. The correct answer is option C, Iran and Turkey. Hope you guys understood today's topic. If you have any doubt or need more explanation on any of the topics, drop your queries in the comment box below. Until then, stay tuned for more informations from Fate Factory. Thank you.